Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing what you will showcase. Pick 3 to 5 best videos and a clear channel banner sized 2560 x 1440. Once done, go to YouTube Studio and enable channel customization so options appear. You should confirm whether you're managing a personal or brand account because layout options differ. Next, set your profile image and write a concise channel description that tells viewers what to expect. Make sure to save basic settings before moving to the next step to avoid losing progress. You'll now construct the actual home screen by adding and arranging sections. Start with a featured video or trailer for new visitors, then add a popular upload section to boost watch time. Once set, create organized playlists and a shorts shelf if you publish short-form content. Use drag and drop to prioritize what viewers see first and rename sections with clear, clickable titles. Make sure to preview the layout on mobile and desktop because audience behavior varies across devices. Finish by previewing your home screen on multiple devices. Thumbnails, trailer length, and playlist order all affect first impressions. You should test that each playlist and link plays correctly and that your trailer communicates channel value in 15-30 seconds. If something looks off, tweak section titles or swap videos for stronger thumbnails. And if updates fail to appear publicly, clear your browser cache. Try an incognito window or republish the layout. Those steps resolve most display sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.